You can't see me right now. It's currently 1:55 in the morning. And I've been waiting for this washing machine to finish running its cycle for 3 hours now. Usually I wouldn't notice or care about the laundry machine. But there's a shoe inside of the laundry machine. It thumps on an irregular basis. And it's a low frequency thump. So, regardless of whether I put my pillow over my head to cover my ears, I'm still gonna hear the shoe as it hits the other side of the barrel that it's being tossed around in right now. And it's been running for 3 hours. Three hours. I think it might have just finished, actually. No, it's not done yet. It still has 8 lifetimes to, still has 8 human lifetimes that it has to endure before it is done washing the shoe. We are 3 hours into the first human lifetime, which is roughly 80 to 90 years of runtime. I do not know how many hours are in 80 to 90 years, let alone 1 year or even a week. But we are only 3 hours into it. And I know that I've caught myself in the vicious cycle of becoming frustrated that I won't be able to fall asleep, that I being frustrated that I have not fallen asleep yet, which makes me frustrated, which makes it harder to attain sleep. This feels like rock bottom. That's a little overdramatic, but who knew that a shoe being thrown around in a metal cylinder at a very semi constant rate could feel so detrimental as to be compared with someone hitting rock bottom. I feel like I need to go see if this is a hallucination or not. Or if this laundry machine is actually making that sound. The laundry machine is actually making that sound.